Hello friends, today I am going to give you solution for the my iPhone is not charging. You can first of all remove your iPhone display just like this, and you can retouch battery connectors. Sometime it may be loose due to the repairing or physical damage. You can insert battery cable here. You can try to charge. You have to do this. You can see it is not charging. It means not ampere range is deducting. I hope to attach some glue tapes just like this, and I hope to install smooth plate for the battery connectors. You can see nothing charging, nothing happening. Don't worry, I hope to give you best solution for this. This is very simple error. You can attach tape just like this. You can insert some plate just like this. It is metallic plate. You can install and you can fix it using some small nails just like this. You can fix it using current pressure. You can connect battery or power bank. After connecting charging cable, you can see it is Apple logo is loading. You can see some deducted value, ampere value. You can see ampere range is deducting. It means your phone is charging very well. You can see it is charging. After completion of your work, remember to attach some nails just like this, and remember to fix your iPhone display just like this. It is very simple process. I think this video will help you to get an idea how to get solution for the my iPhone is not charging.